Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Rebel or a Warrior or pretty much any pool cleaner that has this type of design work in an all-tile pool. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So today, I drilled my Pentair rep because I was kind of mad how we get questions saying these cleaners don't work in tile pools. So I asked them, like, what do you do? So what I was told is that for one, there's a straight cam that makes it go straighter or longer. So you're gonna need to get that. The link for that is below. It's like a straight drive kit or straight cam, whatever it is. Ben, DJ, one of those guys that work for us, they're gonna put it down below for you guys and they're gonna help you out. So next part, the trick for a tile pool, and this is the best thing you can do, is these are called a hump tire. So if you see this dot, like the bubble on the side here, take like a razor blade, take a knife. This isn't very safe, it's kind of sketchy, but you want to trim this thing down so it's the same height as the rest of the tire. And that goes for both sides. So what happens on a tile pool is this thing's going to cruise. When it gets to that bump, it's going to lift that side up, and then this thing's going to fall back down the pool. It's usually diving pools are the issue with tile pools because it's got such a big slope. So once you trim these hump tires down, this thing will actually cruise up and it'll clean the all tile pool. Again, this will work for the Pentair Rebels. It will work for the pool cleaner, the Pool Vernugan. It's a very popular cleaner as well. Again, it's another one that has issues with diving tile pools. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you guys today. Jacob again with ePoolSupply. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one.